Please, I'd like you to subscribe to my channel. If today is the first time I'm watching my video, please support me. God bless you. As you support me, God will support you. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to show you how to fix rings. As you can see, I'm fixing the basket ring. This is the basket rings. So you can see now, that's the oil rings. You see, oil rings doesn't have size. It doesn't have side. You can put any side. Today, this is the oil rings. That's the oil rings. If you can see it, like and subscribe. If today is the first time of watching my video, you see, as you are facing it now, you not make the ring side will not face the same side. One have to face another side, then this other one face the opposite direction. You fix the two rings in one direction, the motor, the engine will smoke. So that's how it is. So now this is the second ring. It's compression. It's compression ring. That's the compression ring. As you can see, look at where the direction is. You see, I've not turned it to the normal position. Now, this is the number one ring. Still compression. Still the compression rings. As you can see now. You see, you don't put it in same position. So as you see, and this one is facing north, while the other one is facing south. That's how you fix it. Have you seen? Look at the position now. Have you seen? That's the direction. You see the oil rings facing different direction. This one facing different direction also. So you don't make them face the same direction so that the engine will not, you see, so the engine will not smoke. Thank you. Like and subscribe and drop your comments. If today is the first time of watching, you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. God bless you. That's how to fix it. This piston ground. As we gram it, and that's it. As you can see, tighten it fine so that the rings will not break while installing it. As you can see, it seems very normal right now. That's the front position. That's the front position. That's where that one will face. That's the front position. You see the dots. You don't make mistake. You turn it to this other side to the opposite direction.